Hi friends, I am Gaurav Sinha, a member of English Times community. English Times organizes many activities which help us to improve our communication skills. One of the top activity is English Times workshop, English Times mastery workshop. These workshops are delivered by inspiring people who are trying to improve themselves. The topics of workshops are also very great, which helps you to think and gain knowledge. Example: leadership skills, decision making, goal setting, training your mind, etc. So, for your self improvement, you must attend these workshops. You will see the change within you. These workshops are there every Saturday. Do attend it. Thank you.